Welcome guys to the third part of Servlet with session state. So far we have seen like how to add, remove, but add was done statically, giving the name like add name was like statically. We write here John, but we want to this time let's give it through the user input. So I have just created a form here. So this form will make a get request to the add name servlet, and the parameter will be a first name, last name, and the key, and which make a submit to the add name servlet. Okay, let's go to add name servlet and write a get method and save this into our list. Okay, add name servlet. So far we have done this much. So instead of this, we want the first name and last name. Let's get the string first name. How do we get from the user is in request that get parameter? Yeah, this one. And our name was first name, f name. Okay, and similarly for last name, l name. Okay, so this is our first name. Okay, we want to get the key too, so key was integer, key request dot get parameter. So key was key, and similarly we want to get the incountable string can be converted to a string, so let's convert to int. Oh sorry, int. No, it doesn't do it like this way. Integer dot parseInt. Okay, this will work. And similarly for last name, string last name request dot get parameter last name. Okay, and now we can simply write, instead of one we can add as key, and first name would be our first name, and last name would be last name. So we get the input from the user and save it in the session, and the other process is the same. Okay, let's go and run this index.html, run file. Oh, my class server, which is starting. Okay, this time let's give key 5 name edge Kevin Johnson. Add. Okay, you can say key 5 Kevin Johnson, f name, l name is sent to the list and saved to the server HTTP session. So you could simply go to our all name servlet and run this file and see. Run file, all name servlet. So see, we can see people with 5 Gavin Johnson. So previously it was John Johnson. So we could say any other name, like let's go back to the index and let's say Lavin is name John Johnson. Add. Let's go back to our name all servlet. See, key Lavin John Johnson. So every time the list of items list is being added from here to the HTTP session. So the HTTP session is showing the list of people every time we add to the session. Every time it loops the list and show us from the session. Thank you for this session, for this part, during this part. So next part will be the remove the element with the key. We'll see in the next part. Thank you for watching.